Viewer discretion is advised.
I want a chainsaw. What are you talking about? Oh, he's giving all away the husband, sir, and shot in the face. Oh my god. I did see that lady. It's also a bit of fix. Basically, it's a Christmas society. God, they had about her. Right about her, you have food. Fire, I want some milk. What do I want it? No. No, we need milk. No. So kids, finally, it's time to be about this band. It's all gonna be called Contest. It's gonna be about it. I better get these podcasts. What are the contests for? I guess we need to take a while and use a mouse. I have to figure it out. Mom, I think Willett needs his section. There you go. Now hurry up, little guy. For God's sake, Griffin, you ruined Willett's chair. And Bonnie wants to know what our noise is. Oh, amazing! Hi, with the bill. Will is the guy. It's gonna ruin his face and body. We know how much it is. Because it ain't so. It's beautiful, Griffin. Yeah, I know how much it is. That weed. Yeah, there's one set Rollins. How much it was turned up. Right, here to Mark. Not done, it's done. Oh, yeah, you better put it there. Did it with Jesus, spell what you saying. Oh, I'll give it. K-Y-L-A.
Look,
there's a reason why I became a cop. Spellman. Spellman is not a thing. Oh, Jesus. I need to Spellman stop. He's getting too many right. The nicest is the Spellman. Guys, check it out. Look, it's screwed. Oh, it's that awful movie. What are you doing, Griffin? Turn it off, please. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna get that thing started, and it's gonna be a final start.